Hey you guys, I wanted to update you guys on information that I'm getting within the last 24 hours. If you're somebody who's trying to help, if you're Haitians trying to figure out what's going on, how I can be involved in any way, shape or form for this movement that is currently going on, I wanted to let everybody know that December 8th, 2022, save it, share it, let somebody know. December 28th, we are going for a movement to shut everything down. Don't spend no money, don't go out, don't go nowhere. There's going to be a protest going on. Manhattan, New York is leading the protest, and everybody else we're going to follow. So if you can't make it to Manhattan, do it in your area, your community. It doesn't matter if it's 1, 2, 3, 5, 10 of y'all. Let the world know December 8th, 2022, that we are going to stand up for the wrong that is going on, not only in Haiti currently going on, but also in the African diaspora. You don't have to be Haitian, and all Haitians, you must go. You have no excuse. It's on a Thursday. It's at 12 p.m. All Haitians, you don't have no choice, because right now we're the only one who can fight for our country. We're the only one who's standing up for our country. Ain't if we don't stand up for us, ain't nobody going to stand up for us. So December 8th, stand up, let it be known. If you can't make it, send somebody. You don't have to be like I said, you don't have to be Haitian. This all people in the African diaspora, all people who are for justice, people who are against discrimination. Y'all need to step out. All Hispanics, come out. This is our fight too. Also, if you're in New Jersey location, they are currently getting people together to get on a bus to go to Manhattan for the protest December 8th, as well as if you're in Delaware too. Let me know, inbox me, and because I have the lady number, so I'll definitely let you guys know on how we can make arrangement if you need transportation as well. Also, Boston, you need to be on it. Who else? Boston, New Jersey, Miami, and Connecticut, Canada, people in France. This is not just a United States thing. This is going to be going on in the DR. This is going to be going on in Canada, France, United States, and all other countries that Haitians are. It doesn't matter if it's one. Let the world know. Even if it's you just typing Haiti, we'll know what it is. We're not going to let this movement die. We're not going to let this movement go. We're going to speak and let it be known. We have to be the one who make the change and stand up first so we can set the tone. In history, this is the only history that will repeat itself again, is the revolution.